Welcome everyone. Google just released Android 16 Developer Preview 1, and it's here a bit earlier than we expected. Normally, Google waits until 1st February to unveil these previews, but this time, they decided to release it in November, quite early, right? Now, let's talk about what's inside this developer preview. First off, we are looking at some clean design updates. The Wi-Fi sharing QR code now gets the sleek, fresh look of Material You design, which is all about making things more visually appealing. Media controls and tiles are now narrower with more breathing space between them. Even the toggles under settings got a makeover. Everything's a bit narrower, giving a cleaner, more polished feel. However, it's not all perfect just yet. There's a small issue with text and buttons overlapping with the status bar, especially on the widget settings page. Now, let's get into some cool features that might make your life a little easier. First up, we've got audio sharing. You can now share audio with others, which is perfect if you're hanging out with friends or family. You can also name your devices, set pairing passwords, and even toggle better compatibility for devices like hearing aids. It's all about making your tech work better for you. Android 16 has something to help. There's a new feature that gradually lowers the volume of notifications from apps that keep sending too many. If you've been concerned about third-party cookies and the whole user tracking, this is for you. The latest version of Privacy Sandbox takes on those issues, giving you more control over your privacy. In fact, there's a new feature under Security and Privacy that lets you see your data over the past 7 days. Definitely a win for transparency. For developers, there's a cool new photo picker that can be embedded into apps, and now, apps can read and write medical records in the FHIR format. Performance-wise, Android 16 is feeling pretty smooth so far. App launches are snappy, and scrolling is buttery smooth. No major bugs in sight, though of course, more testing is needed before we give it the final stamp of approval. However, this is just the developer preview, so don't rush to install it unless you're super tech-savvy and okay with experimenting. Google advises against installing this on your main device for now, as it's still in the early stages. As for the stable version, it's expected to drop around Q2 2025, probably in May, though June or July is more likely. The developer preview phase will end by the end of this year, so we've got a bit more waiting to do. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for updates. What do you think about Android 16? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.